Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare a simple iftar in just 30 minutes. Let's begin. In a pressure cooker, add oil, half a sliced onion, ginger garlic paste, mint leaves, minced meat and fry together. Add a glass of water, 2 tablespoons of broken rice and 1 tablespoon of moong dal. Add salt and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Rice porridge is ready. Let's move on. Boil 2 eggs and soak sabza seeds and some edible gum, which is known as goand. On the other side, take 2 cups of gram flour, add salt, chili powder, some asafoetida, ginger garlic paste and food color. Add water to make a thick paste. In chilled milk, add sugar, rose syrup, soaked sabza and gum. Mix well and refrigerate. Serve chilled. Heat some oil. Dip the eggs in the batter and fry on medium-high flame. To the same batter, add sliced onion, palak leaves and some fennel seeds. Fry them in batches. The pakoras are ready. Serve hot. Hope you will try this recipe and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. See you soon with another video.